Oh, good grief. I only have 3 minutes left on my SIM card because I've been talking so much. Well, the first thing I could do is take out some bricks and take out boop, 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 and then run the wire right through there, right? I could do that. But I know there is another piece of a 3-inch ABS pipe right there, about that deep, right there. I've already had it dug out once. I never in a million years thought I might use that as a chase to run a wire through there, because right now there's a 3-inch ABS pipe with the main drip irrigation pipe that goes through that as a chase, and it ends up over here. It ends up right there. Well, I could use that chase for a wire, and I just talked to my wife. She wants to put another nice little downlight right here. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so I can do that. When I get that wire through there, I can take these side bricks out. Boom, 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 boom. From right here to right there, couldn't I? Just those bricks. And then I could run the wire. I could run another wire, tap in another wire right here, and right out here to there, and get that one. Boom. And that's what I'm probably going to end up doing. I'm still racking my head where they brought the main power in for these lights, and I believe it's that one with the wire nuts. And I'll figure that out tomorrow. Well, that's all I got for today. Hope you're learning. Now, as you saw with the Sawzall, it took me a while because I could only use the blade from here to about there. And when I chopped this up, I put the blade from here to there because this is really super sharp. You could always get more use out of your blade by using this top when you can. Okay? Alrighty then. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos, and I tell you, every day it's a new day, and it's a new finding out something that I never knew I had to do, but I need to do it now to get it done properly, get it done how we want, and I can do it. Okay, and so can you. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time.